Hey guys, so today is just gonna be a normal day in Grove Street, nothing much. Yeah, we're not gonna do any missions. Yeah, just drive some cars. Just a guys. I'm just gonna get in our car. So guys, okay guys, so let's see if we can get here without crashing my car. Without crashing it, let's see. It's just a normal video today, guys. Let's see if we can get there without crashing. Okay, we already crashed. Like, yeah, guys, we already crashed. So yeah, the videos, but my car is not crashed. So let's go. Like, these cars want to crash my car. What's happening? Oh, that was close. I have crashed again, but no scratch in my car. We're just gonna end. If I have a scratch in my car, we're gonna end the video. Oh, I already have a scratch. Okay, so guys, I have made my promise. The video is gonna end. Thanks for watching. If you watch, please smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. See you later.